Hello. In this video, I'm explaining how you can add a layer in QGIS and add that to map. Um, this is your environment in QGIS. General toolbars that for navigation, pan, zoom, um, and here these icons will help you with inserting data and importing layers. Here we call it browser. This browser basically gives you the ability to explore your hard drives, for example, my C drive, my D drive, and this window is the layers window, and this will show the files, the layers that I'm going to add to this map. This is an empty map. Now I'm going to navigate to the folder that I have my data, and I'm keeping my data. Mine is under my files and under teaching, GIS intro, under data, and I would like to, so this is the folder that I keep the class material. Here, a good practice is right click on that and add this folder to your favorites. This way, you don't need to come to all the subfolders every time. Now that I added that to my favorites, that address is showing up under the list of favorites. So, and I can directly go to that folder. So let's download a layer from Blackboard and add that to your map. I have uploaded a layer for New York City under data center in Blackboard and NYC, and you can see that this is a block group shapefile that it is zipped. If you click on that, that's gonna be downloaded. Here it is downloaded, and now it goes to my download folder. It is very important to understand where the file goes when you download something in your web browser. In this case, I'm using Microsoft Edge, and don't click on the file here. When you see the file, just right click on it, or right click on the three dots and show in folder. Use show in folder to see where your file is downloaded to. And now I can see that my file is downloaded to downloads folder of Windows. And I'm going to right click on this file, copy it, or you can use cut or move. Anyway, so it is just, we want to copy this file, and I am going to move this to my GIS intro folder for the class. I am keeping my layers here in the data and under NYC, and I have the block groups of NYC here, and I can paste it here. I already had that zip file here. I had downloaded that before. So when you have a zip file, you cannot see the contents of that in QGIS. You need to unzip this file, and after unzipping or extracting, you will be able to see the contents of this zipped folder. So right click on the file and extract the file. You can use extract files or extract here. You may have different interfaces for unzipping a compressed folder. Whatever you are using, we just want to open this layer. I'm going to use extract files, and here you can see that I unzip that in this folder. These are the contents of the zip folder. We're gonna come back to this, and I'm gonna explain what all these files are. And then, now that I have that, go to QGIS, and you can always go to your files, data. Under data for me was under block groups. So, and I unzipped this file here, so I can see my block group 2012, 2016, and you simply can drag and drop here. This is your layer, and that layer now comes to the layers windows. Layers window, and now you can turn on and off this layer, or if you had multiple layers, for example, I'm going to add another layer that I have here. This is, I think, another layer for the city. Now I can also basically reorder my layers or turn on and off. Um, so this is the basics of importing layers. Alternatively, instead of using the browser, you could also use this icon, new shape. Not that one. I think this is open data, or under layer, I could use add layer, and under add layer, you can use add a vector layer. I believe the browser is very simple because you see all the files, and then it is less confusing for this purpose.